Did you know that just one sponge and a little kitchen powder can transform your plants? Today, I'll show you a secret hack. Place a sponge in soil, add cinnamon powder, and watch the magic happen. Take a clean sponge, cut it into pieces, and place it at the bottom of your pot or near the roots in the soil. The sponge works like a water tank. It soaks up extra water and slowly releases it, keeping your plants hydrated longer. Now sprinkle a little cinnamon powder on the soil. Cinnamon is a natural antifungal and antibacterial agent. It protects roots from rot, fights fungus, and even helps new roots grow stronger. Together, the sponge and cinnamon create the perfect growth booster: moist soil, stronger roots, and healthier, greener plants. Try this simple hack today, and your plants will shock you with their growth. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful gardening tips.